We're installing this wall mirror in the bathroom, and it came with wall anchors. Let's see one of those wall anchors there. And we've already put in one, and we've drilled, and now we're gonna put in the other, and then we'll show you the mirror once we get it up. The most important thing was we had to measure really carefully on the back of the mirror because it has these mounting brackets that it just hooks on to the screw in the wall. So be sure to leave the screw sticking out a bit from the wall so that they can catch the little star anchor. Here you can see the style of the brackets. They're kind of like a star pattern. So if you choose to mount this vertically, you could, or you can go horizontally. We are going to be doing this horizontally in a bathroom. I am so in love with this 30 by 55 inch bathroom mirror. We did a bathroom remodel, and we wanted something that was going to be a big upgrade from the medicine cabinet that used to be here. And this mirror does not disappoint. It has the rounded corners and it has a black finish on it. And it was the perfect size for this 60-inch base cabinet that we have here. We realized we wanted it inset just slightly on both sides. And I love that there were different choices for the corners. There were different choices for the sizes, and I thought they were very good value. They came in great packing. I was nervous ordering a mirror, but it was no problem at all. But probably my favorite thing about this mirror is that it does not have a really deep lip to it. I know a lot of the mirrors have a really deep lip, like almost an inch deep. And the thing I don't like about that, particularly in the black finish, is that you're gonna get dust and you're gonna get debris and hairspray and products in a bathroom in particular that's gonna land on here and stick. I love that it has this really thin little band, just makes it so much easier to keep it clean and looking great. So this was a great buy, and I'm so glad to finally get this installed. I absolutely love it.